Hello and welcome to the showcase. In this showcase I combine a few tutorials of mine to create this adventure game. This is version 1, of course I plan to add more features in the future. So let's take a look. We have this MetaHuman. We use the game animation sample to, for example, climb this wall here. We have some background sounds, as you can hear. We have some footstep sounds. Then we can easily switch from the third-person camera to the first-person camera here. We have this car build system, where we can build our own car by picking up the wheels and attach them. Like that. And of course we can drive the car. We have the steering wheel, we have the tempometer. We can also switch the camera. We have this day-night cycle. We have some car lights. Great. So I hope you enjoyed this showcase. If you have any questions, please let me know, and yeah, goodbye.